Hello, kids. Welcome to Kids Adventure. Today we are going to learn the names and fun facts of 5 animals that live at the barn. Are you ready? Let's go. This is a pig. Can you say pig? Pig is spelled P-I-G. Pigs love to roll in the mud and they have curly tails. Why do pigs like mud? Stay cool. Mud keeps pigs cool. Sun protection. Mud protects pigs from sunburn. This is a chicken. Can you say chicken? Chicken is spelled C-H-I-C-K-E-N. Chickens lay eggs and have feathers all over their bodies. Why do chickens lay eggs? Hens, girl chickens, lay eggs so they can have baby chicks. We can eat the eggs that don't have baby chicks in them. This is a sheep. Can you say sheep? Sheep is spelled S-H-E-E-P. Sheep have fluffy wool that we can use to make warm clothes. Why do sheep have wool? Sheep have wool to keep them warm. Wool is the fuzzy stuff on it. It's like a cozy coat that helps sheep stay warm in cold weather. This is a cow. Can you say cow? Cow is spelled C-O-W. Cows give us milk and have gentle eyes and big bodies. Why do cows say moo? Cows say moo to talk to each other. It's their way of communicating with other cows. They might moo when they are hungry, when they are calling their calves, or just to say hello to their friends. This is a horse. Can you say horse? Horse is spelled
H-O-R-S-E.
Horses are strong animals and are used to help farmers with heavy work. Why do horses sleep standing up? Horses sleep standing up to stay safe. This way, they can quickly run away if they sense danger. They can lock their legs so they don't fall over while sleeping. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more.